This is question 15 to 7, section 9, page 800. So it says the cube above has edges of length 2, and A and B are midpoints of 2 of the edges. What is the length of AB? Not shown. Okay, so they want AB. To find AB, we're going to have to first find the hypotenuse of this right triangle here. And then we'll use that hypotenuse as the leg of this right triangle here. So it's a little bit hard to see, but if you want to get a better sense of all of the different right triangles that are making up a cube, you could come to my office because I built a clear cube with lots of different triangle slices within it so that you could better see how a cube is really just a ton of right triangles in different configurations, because this is something that they test fairly often on the SAT in the last few questions. Okay, so first let's figure out this length of this hypotenuse of this right triangle here. And you know it's a right triangle because the base of a cube is always a square. So you know that that angle there has to be 90 degrees. Okay, so we are told that all of the edges are 2, and we are told that A and B are midpoints, so we know that these lengths here are 1. So then we have what we need for the Pythagorean theorem, because we have that this leg here is 1, this leg here is 2, therefore we could figure out the hypotenuse C. So remember the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is always the hypotenuse. So we'll have 1 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. That gives us 1 plus 4 equals c squared. So 5 equals c squared. And that means that c is the square root of 5. And then we'll use that to figure out another triangle. Okay, so now we want AB, which is also a right triangle. And now we know that that leg there has a value of root 5. And now we'll just enter these legs into the Pythagorean theorem to figure out the value of AB. Okay, so we have the square root of 5 squared plus 1 squared equals c squared. So the square root of 5 squared gives us 5. Plus 1 squared is 1. So we get 6 equals the square of c. 6 equals c squared. So then c is the square root of 6. So our answer is D.